If you're thinking about japa, then your chesta is gone away from chanting and hearing. Your atma chesta is gone there. Nothing, you just from your heart that chesta for doing, for chanting the name and hearing the name. That should be the only focus and nothing else. Then some other idea will come. Maybe I should be thinking of Krishna's pastime or Krishna's form, something, and then I can hold my attention. Experience has shown that it will also fail. Because when we have, naturally when Krishna's form comes in our background consciousness, out of bhava or out of feeling, out of this thing, out of attraction, transcendental attraction to the Leela, then we can say, it may, that too it will come in the background, it will not disturb the foreground. Foreground, even one who is very advanced, will focus on chanting and hearing the Nama. All these things can happen in the background. But you cannot use a foreground mind during japa to think of the form of the Lord, to think of the Krishna's Leela. Because this is a practice stage, sadhaka stage. In sadhaka stage, one cannot be meditating on Krishna's Leela during japa. Because why? The reason is, to think of Krishna's Leela and Krishna's Rupa requires a pre-qualification of a certain level of purity of your chittam, of your contaminated consciousness should be purified to some degree. Only then you can. Rather, it should be fully purified to sustain the meditation on the form of the Lord and to meditate on Lord's pastimes, to be attracted to the Lord's pastimes. It requires a certain pre-qualification, which is not required for associating with the Nama Avatara. Now this is a key point here. Kalikale Nama Rupe Krishna Avatara. Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu says, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is Krishna himself. And he has, see, the owner of something can always give anything at any discounted rate. Isn't it? Similarly, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu has appeared here in this Yuga. Lord Chaitanya has distributed this holy name, and he said, Kalikale Krishna Nama Rupa Avatara, Nama Rupa Krishna Avatara. When he has stated that, and he has stated that no qualification required, no circumstance required, Namna Makari Bahuda Nija Sarva Shakti Tatrarpita Niyamita Smaranayana Kalha. There is no time, place, circumstances to do Nama Smarana or chant the holy name of the Lord. There is no. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu has said. In other words, normally if you want to think of Krishna's form, you need a pure mind. If you want Krishna's Leela, you need a pure mind. Because these are all Lord's incarnations. So unless you have a pure mind, you cannot touch the Lord. But in the case of Nama Avatara, even if you are not pure, you can touch the Nama. Touch the all spiritual Satchidananda Vigraha of the Lord. Through his Shakti Aveshanama, in our conditioned state, we can associate with the Shakti Aveshanama and purify ourselves. And after purifying the Chitta, and then it is possible that if the when Chitta is purified, foreground mind does not have to think of Krishna's pastime. Nama will trigger the remembrance of Krishna's pastime in the background mind. That is the right way to think. Not that tomorrow, okay, now during chanting, I'll think of one particular pastime of Krishna. You chant and you are consciously thinking. This is not recommended. As far as Leela is concerned, form is concerned, we have to wait for spontaneously it should come or automatically it should come. Till then, foreground mind struggle should be only to hear Hare Krishna, chant and hear Hare Krishna Maha.